The politics around the Mutunga succession is heating up as his planned retirement date draws closer. The Chief Justice had indicated that he will retire a year earlier to allow the country ample time to choose his successor ahead of the 2017 general election. True to Mutunga's fear, the process would not be short and smooth. Last month, MPs introduced an amendment to the Judicial Service Act, giving the President more leeway in the appointment of the next Chief Justice and Deputy Chief Justice. The Law Society of Kenya is up in arms against this amendment and wants the High Court to suspend the operationalization of the Miscellaneous Amendment Act 2015 that gives it effect. LSK argues that this amounts to subjecting the Judicial Service Commission to external interferences, in this case by the executive. Until the passing of the amendment, it was interpreted that JSC would sieve through the applications and eventually present a single name to the President for appointment. Now, with the amendment, the President would choose from among 3 names.
I think what the President was basically indicating through the Attorney General who proposed the amendment is that he does not want to merely be a channel or a conveyor belt of a name from the Judicial Service Commission to the National Assembly, that he wants to have an opportunity to review and vet.
Further, LSK is disgruntled by the omission of the gender requirement in the selection process of the Inspector General of Police and the 2 deputies. Before the amendment, one of the 3 needed to be of the opposite gender.
One argument was that you can apply the gender principle in totality on the rank and the file membership of the National Police Service.
The amendment also removed the security of tenure of the police chiefs, a move LSK fears exposes those critical officers to manipulation, especially by the executive. LSK further argues that no provision for public participation was made before the passing of the contentious Miscellaneous Amendment Act 2015 on the 1st of December last year. Sylvie Chebet for The Big Question.